Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing a what's in my bag video. I love watching these videos, but I've never done one, so I thought I'd take the opportunity. And for my bag, I have the Louis Vuitton Vanity Chain pouch, and this is one of my favorite bags. This is a little bit different than the Louis Vuitton Vanity pouch that they have. They have it in a bigger size. So this one is a little bit slimmer. So I just want to show you guys what I keep in my bag. So if you guys are interested, then stay tuned. This is the Louis Vuitton Vanity Chain pouch, and I actually picked up this bag in May of last year. So every year I get a bonus at work, and I was feeling a little bit down, and I decided to treat myself. I've always wanted a Louis Vuitton bag, and this one really caught my eye. I am guilty of buying the Louis Vuitton toiletry bag and trying to wear that as a bag. I literally bought it and I just wasn't in love with it, so I feel like this was like the best of both worlds. Louis Vuitton does make a bigger size of this bag, but this one is the pouch, so it is a lot slimmer, so this one doesn't hold quite as much. What I love about this bag is it's just so stinking cute. Like, I love the monogram, and I also love the reverse monogram on both the top and the bottom of the bag. I also love how it has a lock, although it's not really locking anything because there's one zipper. But it does also come with a set of keys. It has this shoulder strap right here, which is super cute, and I use this all the time. And then if you want to wear a crossbody, it comes with this black leather strap. If you love mini bags like me, then I think you will really enjoy this bag. I feel like with mini bags, they're so cute, they're so little, but obviously they don't fit a lot. I feel like with this particular bag, even though it is a little bit slimmer and it is small in size, you can fit all of your essentials in here. I have an iPhone 13 mini I'm like holding on to for dear life, and low-key I need to upgrade, but I just love how small it is and the fact that it fits in pretty much all of my mini bags. If you have a bigger phone, it might be able to fit in here. I think a regular like iPhone like 16, 15 can probably fit in here. I'm not sure about a Pro Max, but my phone can fit in here, but I do not have my phone in this purse currently. Like I mentioned, this purse only has one zipper, so I'm not sure what it's locking, but I'm just gonna unzip the purse and I'm gonna take things out and show you what I have in here. This thing is definitely full, but like I said, she fits all of my essentials. So the first thing that I have in my bag is the OLEHENRIKSEN lip balm. So normally when I go out, I love to keep my lip combo on me. I'm in the house and I'm not going anywhere, so I normally will keep a lip balm in my bag if I don't have a lip combo on. So this one again is the OLEHENRIKSEN lip balm, and this one is my all-time favorite lip balm. It's so good. Next in my bag I have hand sanitizer. Like, I literally do not go anywhere without my Touchland hand sanitizer. I just feel like with COVID and like bird flu and all of the things going around, like my hands needs to be sanitized. So I love keeping one of these in my bag, and I love that this actually fits in here and I can fit other things in the bag, including this. Next, I have my Bose open ear earphones. I love these. My mom actually gifted me these for Christmas, so shout out to my mom. Thank you, mommy. And I take these with me wherever I go, so whatever purse I have, these have to fit in there. They are a must-have for me. I know this video isn't about the earphones, but if you are someone and AirPods, like the regular AirPods, do not fit in your ear like me, I highly recommend these. I mean, obviously you're not going to get any noise canceling, but they definitely get the job done. Next to my bag, I have my keys. Obviously you can't go anywhere without your keys, but when I'm trying to condense, like in my other bags that are smaller, like when I'm not driving or things like that, then I'll just take my key fob and my apartment key. But with this bag, I can just fit all of my keys. So usually when I'm driving, I'll carry this bag because obviously it needs to be able to fit my keys. Next in my bag, I have my Louis Vuitton card holder. So my mom also gifted this to me for Christmas. So again, shout out to my mom. I love you, mommy. She got this for me not this past Christmas, but the Christmas before, and I've been using it nonstop, and you know, it just makes sense to keep it in this bag. I can fit a wallet in this bag, but I feel like since the bag is small, I want to fit as much as humanly possible. So I'll normally opt for a card holder, but if you want to do a wallet, you can fit a wallet in this bag. Next in my bag, I have my Valentino Beauty mirror. I keep this with me, especially when I wear makeup, because I love to be able to touch up my lip. And this mirror is just so stinking cute. It just has a V like that, but I need a mirror in my bag because, again, I need to be able to touch up my lip. Last but not least, what I have in my bag is my DJI Osmo Pocket 3 camera. So I recently picked up this camera, and this is actually the handle extender that just pops right in the bottom of the camera like this. But I recently picked up this camera because I wanted to get into more like vlogging. So I take this camera with me wherever I go, and because I can fit the camera in this bag goes with me a lot. Like, I get a lot of use out of this bag just because, like I said, while it isn't the biggest, it can fit all of your essentials. So I love having the ability to take my DJI Osmo Pocket 3 with me. And I think what's also great too is I can take the camera and also the little like handle extender as well, and I can fit both in my bag. Okay, so I lied. There is one more thing left in my bag. I didn't even realize it was here, but I also have these little Tic Tacs in my bag. I just, you know, need my breath to smell nice and fresh, so I try to keep those in my bag. But other than that, that is everything that fits in my Louis Vuitton Vanity pouch. And like I said, you guys, you can fit a lot in this bag. Although it is small, she is very mighty, and she is definitely like my favorite handbag that I own so far. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment in the comment section below. And then also make sure you're subscribed to my channel for more to come.